All right, well, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I might have just made the best decision or the worst decision of my life. I guess time will tell and we'll find out. So I decided to sell my carpet cleaning business, invest in e-bikes with my brother, and start making YouTube videos. At the time of when I sold my business, we were sitting around 200 subscribers. We're at 309 now. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed so far. Hope you're enjoying the content. I got plenty of cool ideas stored up in here. Just got to execute them. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get on the bike, go for a quick ride, and talk about on why I made this decision.
All right, and before I talk about on why I decided to sell my business, let's backtrack real quick and talk about how I got here. So I was a over-the-road truck driver for about 5 years, and after 3 years, I really started thinking, I'm just like, man, this isn't gonna be sustainable for me long term. I can't fathom being stuck in the truck for the rest of my life, man, because you're in that thing 24/7. And I always wanted to have a YouTube channel, but I was always afraid of being on camera. And for some reason, I just couldn't force myself to start making videos and being on camera. So I kept putting it off and putting it off. And I started thinking of other ways to get out of the truck. And so I got an idea to start a carpet cleaning business. So I was like, you know what? Screw it, let's go for it. This might be a way out of the truck. And so I decided to start the business. And about 1.5 years into that, I started realizing, man, I was like, I can't keep putting off my dream. I'm putting in so much time and energy into building this business, and it's not something that I want to be building. And the thought of going down a path that I didn't want to be on just scared me more than being on a path where the end result is unknown, but at least I'm building something that I want to be doing. So all that brought me here. And so I had to sell my business because I needed to put myself in a position where I have no other backup plan. Because if I had something else, you always have that in the back of your head. Oh, it's okay. If it doesn't work, you can fall back on that. And I didn't want to give myself that. I wanted to put myself in a position where I have absolutely no other choice and to make it work.
With all that being said, that's why I decided to sell my business, buy these bikes, and finally start chasing my dream. So hit that subscribe button, show some support. I got plenty of cool videos coming. Stay tuned. I'm super excited for this journey, and we'll see where I end up.